Hi everyone, let us learn how to put the serial number automatically as and when the data is entered into the sheet. So here we have few names, and what is the usual method we do? In order to write the serial numbers here, either we go by manual method typing one by one, or what we do is we type few numbers, then we drag them. But the problem here is if I add another name here, say Kit and Jimmy. So I have to either drag this or write the numbers manually. So instead of doing this, what you can do is write is equal to if formula we are going to use here, cell number this, the name of the client. If it is blank, then you need serial number to be blank. Else, if it is false, then you have to use row. The reference one, you have to start with the first number itself and back close. Now copy the formula here, Control C, and paste it to the cell range you want. Now, as you can see, it automatically took the serial numbers up to which the name of client is available. So here, if you type another name, say Shelby, you get the serial number automatically. Hope it helps. Thank you, everyone.